Hi, I'm Michelle with CellBotics. I'm the Executive Computer Hardware Trainer and Instructor. Now, a lot of people have been calling and asking and texting and asking and writing and asking us, what if I want a job in IT, specifically as a computer repair technician? Can I get a job in IT? Well, the answer is absolutely. We've already had companies call us and ask us for our graduates, because they know that when they leave here, they're well trained, they have hands-on experience, and they have the tools to succeed, and they're ready to go to work. The one thing about our course, we're hands-on intensive. As soon as you get into class, after we make our introductions and you receive all these wonderful tools, we go right to work repairing and disassembling computers, so you know the nomenclature and the different specs of hardware that go into the different devices. We talk about OEMs. We talk about the different chip makers. So you get a lot of information. And don't forget, you get this wonderful book, which is Mike Myers CompTIA A+, to go home with you, along with all these tools. So, yes, if you want a job, you'll be ready to work when you leave here from CellBotics. We guarantee that, because you'll get hands-on training. That's all I have for you today. Come on down, take our training, and improve your position as an IT computer specialist.